Good morning, class 12. So the next topic is deposit creation by the commercial banking system. So here first we will understand what is active transaction and what is passive transaction. Okay. So first let us understand what is passive transaction. What is passive transaction in banking system? So you can see here that passive transaction, when the commercial banks accept deposit in the name of depositor, then it is known as primary deposit, and this type of transaction is known as passive transaction. So first let us understand what is primary deposit. Now suppose that if a person okay deposit his salary or his amount in bank, okay, so what does bank do? Bank accept the deposit. Yes, suppose 1,000 rupees a person is depositing, so here it is bank is accepting the deposit of rupees 1,000. It means in debtors account there will be the 1,000 rupees that will be credited, means there is a increment in debtors account. Yes. Now in second case, okay, in second case what is happening? Active transaction, when the commercial bank provide loan to the individual after taking some security against that loan. If that particular individual do not get cash but get account, okay, but get amount in the account, in such case public deposit increases even though the amount of cash with the non-bank is a public, okay, remain the same. This type of deposit is known as derivative deposit, or this transaction is known as active transaction. So here I will give you one example. Suppose I need 1,000 rupees, okay, so what I will do, I will go to bank for a loan. Then what bank will do? Bank will not provide, suppose that bank will not provide me cash, but bank will transfer the amount in my account, okay. So here what is happening? Here my account, okay, in my account there is a amount credited, okay, the amount has been credited. It means there is a 1,000 rupees. Bank is giving me this 1,000 rupees not in cash but depositing in my account, means in my account there is a 1,000 rupees, okay, there is a 1,000 rupees. Or you can say that for that I have to give what? For that I have to give some security, mortgage. Suppose the it can be gold, it can be anything, okay. So here this type of deposit exception is known as derivative deposit, okay, derivative deposit. So what are the difference? In first case I am depositing the amount, okay, that is primary deposit, and that is known as passive transaction. In second case I am taking the loan from the bank and bank is giving credit, okay, bank is giving loan in my account, not in hand, cash is not in my hand but in my account, okay. So that is known as derivative deposit, and that type of transaction is known as active transaction. So that type of transaction is known as active transaction. You can copy down, okay, this both the notes you can copy down, this passive transaction and active transaction.